People, so yesterday, late into the night, I kept watching this, this whole thing of Sushant Singh Rajput, the actor, uh, having committed suicide is so. I mean, if you were to see the evidence, that has been left behind, it is so obvious that it is a murder. Yeah, I mean, like for instance, apparently he committed suicide with a green colored dupatta, but the marks that were found on his neck were of rope, rope marks, and a forensic expert who kind of analyzed the whole thing, he said that apparently Sushant Singh Rajput was found literally just 1 hour after having hung himself from the fan, but the kind of marks that were found were too deep to have been caused in just 1 hour. Marks that are so deep are something that is external force has been applied and been held for some time. So it's just and there was this tarot reader who spoke, and she has her own video. So really, yeah, I mean, it is tragic that like a pre-planned murder can be passed off as a suicide, especially in these times when lockdown, when most people are feeling suicidal. So I mean, like, very depressed and all of that. So really, yeah, so i I personally, after going through so much of I feel it was a murder, because somewhere I think it's important to state this, simply since to for someone of his stature, like, to pass away with the tag of a person who committed suicide. I mean, a murder is a murder, yeah. So my god, you all of us can do our own little bit of research, and apparently even the CBI is stepping in to find out what could have you know what could have actually caused the death, and all the CCTV cameras in that posh apartment building that where he would pay 4.5 lakhs rent, all the CCTV cameras were suddenly not functioning one day before the murder. So really, people, so I just felt I had to make this video. So may his soul rest in peace, but we all need justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.